Unveiling the secret habits of straight A superstars. Ever wondered what straight A students are hiding up their sleeves? These academic whizzes have some amazing habits that they don't always share. Let's uncover their secret sauce to success with a fun twist. 1. Get organised like a pro. Straight A students are masters of organisation. They keep their notes and materials in tip-top shape, saving time and stress. Imagine having a super cool study space and a ninja-like system for tracking assignments and deadlines. 2. Dive into class adventures. These students turn every class into an epic adventure. They participate actively, ask curious questions, and dive into group projects. This active engagement is like a turbo boost for their understanding. 3. Team up for study success. Studying with friends is their secret weapon. Straight A students know that group study sessions are gold. Explaining concepts to each other is like turning on a light bulb in their brains, making learning super fun and effective. 4. Become your own quizmaster. Creating practice tests is their jam. They craft their own quizzes from notes and study materials, turning study time into a fun game. This helps them spot areas that need a bit more magic. 5. Master the time game. These students are time management ninjas. They craft schedules that prioritize tasks and carve out special time slots for studying. Procrastination? Not in their vocabulary. 6. Go the extra mile. Straight A students love to explore beyond the textbook. They tackle extra practice problems and dive into additional readings. This extra effort makes their understanding rock solid and helps them ace their exams with confidence. 7. Stay cool and collected. High achievers are emotional intelligence champions. They manage stress like pros and stay focused on their goals. Understanding their emotions helps them navigate challenges with ease and grace. As you can see, these hidden habits are the secret ingredients to their stellar performance. Consistent effort, smart strategies, and a proactive learning approach make straight A students shine. Ready to unleash your inner academic superstar? Let's get started. All right, friends. Feel the excitement and energy as you discover these awesome tips to boost your academic game. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.